In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable slow keys on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon in the menu bar and then go down and select where it says System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, select where it says Keyboard. And then there should be a section that says slow keys. Slow keys adjust the amount of time between when a key is pressed and when it is activated. Click inside the oval to toggle that on, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.